Once upon a time, a parrot and a rabbit lived in the forest. They were good friends. One day, the parrot said to the rabbit, "I will fly away for 10 seconds and then come back. You have to try to stop me." The rabbit replied, "All right, I am ready." The parrot flew away, and the rabbit tried to stop him. But the parrot was very fast, and the rabbit couldn't catch him. When the parrot returned, the rabbit said, "Wow, you are so fast. I can't keep up with your speed." The parrot replied, "Yes, I am a parrot. I can fly, but your running speed is also very good."